C-A-T, cat, c.
6, 8, 10. Now can we do it fast? You do it super fast? Okay?
2, 4, 5, 6,
6,
8, 10.
10. Okay, Mark. 1, 2, 3. 3. It is 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2. How many? How many is that? 6. Well done. Now, 4 times 2. 4 times 2. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of 2. So 4 times 2. How many? 8. Well done. Can you tell me the next one? What's the next one? 5 times 2. Give me 5 times 2 before I put it down. What's 5 times 2? 2, 4, 6, 8. 10. High five me. Okay. 3 times 2, 6. Might be very good at this. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2. 8. Last one. 5. Wow. Before I could even say anything, we're going to carry on then. 6 times 2. 12. Very good. 2. 1, 2 times 2. How many? Can you count them? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. You did 2. We have 2 times 2 is 4. Well done, high five. 3. 1, 2, 3 times 2. Times 2 is what? Count them. 5, 6. Okay. 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 times 2. Times 2 is what? Look. So 4, 2. 6 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2. 7 times 2. 13, 15. 13. 13. What's next? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,